For maybe the last time, Alex Murdaugh, in a prison jumpsuit instead of the suit he used to wear, shuffled into a courtroom Monday in South Carolina and was sentenced to 40 years in federal prison. Murdaugh was punished, this time in federal court, for stealing from clients and his law firm. The 55-year-old disbarred attorney is already serving a life sentence without parole in a state prison for killing his wife and son. Federal agents had recommended a sentence from 17 and a half to just under 22 years. Murdaugh also pleaded guilty in a state court to financial crimes and was ordered to spend 27 years in prison. The federal sentence will run at the same time as his state prison term, and he likely will have to serve all 40 years if his murder convictions are overturned on appeal. U.S. District Judge Richard Gergel said he sentenced Murdaugh to a harsher punishment than suggested because he stole from the most needy, vulnerable people, including a client who became a quadriplegic after a crash, a state trooper who was injured on the job, and a trust fund intended for children whose parents were killed in a wreck. Murdaugh stole from people who placed all their problems and all their hopes on him, Gergel said. The 22 federal counts are the final charges outstanding for Murdaugh, who 3 years ago was an established lawyer negotiating multi-million-dollar settlements in tiny Hampton County, where members of his family served as elected prosecutors and ran the area's premier law firm for nearly a century. Murdaugh will also have to pay nearly $9 million in restitution.